one will give you the number of gaps between the first plant and the fifth plant. So the first plant and the fifth plant, between the first pot and the fifth pot, there are altogether 4 gaps, because you need 5 points to produce 4 gaps. Okay, if you don't believe, you draw 4 points, 5 points. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, but you only have 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps. Okay, so this is, the number is small, you can draw picture, but later on when they ask you to find the distance between the third pot and the 100th pot, you cannot draw 100 points, right? So we would need to use a method. So these 4 gaps has a distance of 1 3/4 meter, which is given in the question, 1 3/4. Okay, now 1 3/4, and then what is 1 gap? Would be that 1 3/4 divided by 4, right? Okay, so we can do 1 3/4 can change to 7/4, 7/4. Divide by 4, I can change it into multiply, right? Okay, so 7/4, if I divide by 4, I can turn it into times 1/4, because divide by 4 and multiply by 1/4 is the same thing. So equals to 7/16. So 1 gap has 7/16 meters. Now what about the next part that we're going to do, which is finding between the 12th pot and the second pot to 12th pot. So how many gaps are there? 12 minus the second pot equals to 10 gaps. So all I need to do now is to find 10 gaps. So from 1 gap to 10 gaps, I just need to times 10, right? So if the left side times 10, the right side also times 10, I take 7/16 multiplied by 10 equals to 70/16, which is 4 3/8. You reduce it to simplest form. The distance is 4 3/8 meters.